In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to Airtable. By the end, you'll know how to invite teammates to a base or an entire workspace, choose the right permission level, and confirm that access is in place. Start by heading to airtable.com and signing into your account. Once you're in, open the exact base or workspace you want to share. A quick note here. A base is a single project with its own tables and views, while a workspace is a container that can hold multiple bases. Sharing a base gives access only to that project. Sharing a workspace grants access to everything inside it, so choose carefully. With your base or workspace open, look to the top right and click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel, where you'll invite people and manage existing collaborators. In the Invite field, type the collaborator's email address. Double-check spelling to avoid sending invites to the wrong person. And if you're bringing in several teammates, you can add multiple email addresses here before sending. It's also a good idea to think about who truly needs edit rights, so you keep your data safe and organized. Next, set their permission level. Viewer is the safest, read-only option. They can open tables and views but can't change data. Commenter can't edit records, but they can leave comments to give feedback or request changes. Editor can create and modify records, views, and attachments, which is ideal for day-to-day contributors. Creator has the most power for that base or workspace, including changing fields, tables, and automations. When in doubt, use the least amount of access someone needs to do their job. You can always raise permissions later. When everything looks correct, click Send Invite. Airtable will email your collaborator with a link to join. Give them a moment to accept. Timing can vary depending on inbox filters. Finally, confirm access. Reopen the Share panel, and you should see their name or email listed along with the permission level you chose. If you spot a mistake, you can adjust their role or remove them right from that panel. You can revisit this Share button anytime to add more collaborators or fine-tune roles as your project evolves. That's all it takes to add collaborators in Airtable. As a quick tip, some plans limit the number of editor or creator seats, so keep an eye on your plan details. Thanks for watching, and happy building.